Are there other ways that we can express our gratitude or acknowledge the help of other people? Definitely there are. So if you want to learn those expressions, keep watching this video, or if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with the lessons that I'm gonna share in this channel. Well, I guess it should always be our practice to express our gratitude or acknowledge the help of other people so that they will be happy and be willing to help us again. Hi, this is Miss Lily once again. Welcome to my mini ESL class, English as a Second Language. And if you want to learn English fast and easy, you're in the right channel. In this lesson, I am going to share some expressions that you can use to express gratitude or acknowledge the help of other people. Always remember that there are two kinds of conversation. One is the formal and the other one is the informal or the casual conversation. So, what are these expressions that we can use in a casual conversation aside from thank you? Okay, we have thanks so much, thanks, thanks a lot, you're the best, I owe you one, you rock, you're the man, what would I do without you? You shouldn't have to. Okay, what about in a formal conversation? You can use the following expressions. Thank you very much. You're very kind. That's very kind of you. I truly appreciate your help. I appreciate what you have done. And thank you. This time, what will be your reply when someone thanked you? Okay, again, for the casual conversation, you can say or you can reply, sure, it's okay, anytime, not at all, you got it, and welcome. Okay, so what about for the formal conversation? You can reply, you're welcome, it's my pleasure, my pleasure, I'm happy to help, and not at all. Well, I hope I shared good lesson for today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with the new lessons that Miss Lindy is gonna share in this channel. Bye!